gals, this is Elisa with WTI, and I want to show you one of my favorite leggings. You're going to see how cute and stylish these are. If you're looking for some leggings that provide comfort and style, stop looking around because I found the right ones here. These are by CLIV. These are the faux leather leggings, and I truly love everything about them. I appreciate that they're tummy control, high-waisted. These go well with tennis shoes, with boots. You can dress them up, dress them down, and they're gonna look cute no matter what. They're also machine washable, and they literally, as you can see, they fit like a glove. They are true to size. This is a size small, and it fits perfect. I also love that these leather tights effortlessly elevate any occasion. I want you to see the quality. They are well made. They are super comfortable and cute. I would highly recommend these to all of my girlfriends. If you're looking to simplify your wardrobe, definitely check these leggings out. You can match it with any top. You can put it on with shorts, a skirt, or just on its own. You are going to love them, and that is my point of view.